Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a pop-up gift card holder. Wait for it. There you go. So let's get started. You're going to start with a card base that measures 4 1/4 by 11. You score it at 3 1/2 and 9. You have a mechanism, the part that pops up, that measures 3 3/4 by 7. You score it at 1/2 inch and at 5. Then you have a piece of DSP that measures 4 by 3 3/8. And then you can cut another piece that's 4 1 3/4. And this one we're going to use the reverse side of that. So we'll start with folding all the score lines. So you're going to fold the card base like a C this way. Okay, and then you're going to fold the mechanism into a Z. So we'll go this way first, and then this way next. So Z or S, depending on your orientation. I'll set that aside right here for a second. We're going to do the DSP first. I'm going to break out the Stampin' seal. Here on the top. And oops, I did the opposite, didn't I? Let me get some adhesive remover, or I'm just going to get another piece. Let me see what I got. Here we go. I meant to reverse it, and I didn't, so there you go. How's that? Okay. Then let's go ahead and decorate this part. So I'm going to stamp the happy birthday in Old Olive. This is from the Celebrate with Tags set and coordinating dies. Fits perfectly on here. Then I also have some of the balloons that are cut out of the dies, and so are the candles. So what I did is I put some mini dimensionals here, and for the stem, since I want it to be the same height, I use some foam adhesive strips. And because the stems, or the string from the balloons are so thin, I'm going to cut them in half, and that way you won't see them on the back. I didn't cut it all the way. Here we go. And those will go back in the string here, and hopefully you won't be able to see them. So we'll start with the happy birthday. Peel off the release tape of the dimensionals. The foam strips. And let's get some glue for the candles. Move that a little bit up. Get the candles in there. And last one. you go. I'm going to bring back the mechanism. And I'm going to put a little glue here on the front slab, the part that's going to hold the card. I think I'm running a little low. So a little glue on this side, on both sides there to hold the card. And then on this flap, we're going to put some more glue there. And here's the secret. You're going to unfold it, line it up against that top fold, center it, and push it down. That way, when you pull it, that's what's going to pull the mechanism up. Then we're going to fold this over. Get a piece of coordinating ribbon that's 15 inches long. And we're going to tie it all around the whole entire card. And I'm just going to do a double knot. You could do a bow if you'd like. It's entirely up to you. I'm just going to double knot this. And then turn it so it's centered. Let's go ahead and clip the extra ribbon. And there we go. A lovely pop-up gift card holder. So the gift card goes right here, just as it did here. So you just slip it in. And it's a good surprise, and you also have some space to write a sentiment or to sign it if you'd like. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'll have to make some Christmas, some thank yous, whatever you use gift card holders for. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video if you want more of these tutorials, and have a great day. Bye.